Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to my very first Walmart try-on haul.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop.
I have been wanting to bring you girls a Walmart try-on haul for a while now. I just never took the time to actually shop, find the pieces, find my sizes. It never worked out until now. I was in Walmart shopping for something else when I saw that they had a lot of their pieces marked down and on clearance. I don't know what's still available for you to shop, but whatever I can find, I will have it linked in my LTK, and that link will be in the description box. So check it because you never know. Before we get into the haul, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you like from this haul. Let me know if you have any of these pieces. Anyway, let's get into this haul. Now, I was supposed to be bringing you all a spring try-on haul, a Walmart spring try-on haul, but honestly, these pieces can transition from the spring to the summer. I have several pairs of shoes that I will begin with and then on to the fashion. So make sure you watch till the end. Up first, y'all, I found these super cute chocolate sneakers. They're no boundaries, size 9. I absolutely love these, and they had them also in an off-white. Everywhere it's chocolate, it was off-white, and everywhere this off-white color is, it was black. Those were cute. I wanted to go back and get them, but I just stuck with these because I don't have a pair of chocolate sneakers. I just couldn't leave them in the store. And I don't remember the price of those. If I can find it, I'll have it on the screen. Next up, I found another pair of ADIOS. If you saw my collective haul, if you didn't see it, check it out. I bought 2 pairs of ADIOS from Walmart, and I found these. These are silver with a touch of gold. Super cute. Now, the ADIOS are ASIC inspired. Like, they're on the same style as ASICs. ADIOS are regular $25 at Walmart. These were $15.76, and that's why I got them. These will pair well with a really cute casual look. Next up, I have another pair of No Boundaries heels. Y'all see how she's made? And the heel is chunky and it's not really high. I'm thinking like 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches. I don't remember the price, but I will have it right here on the screen, but they were not very expensive. And you will be able to see these on when I try on the other pieces. Y'all, I found a pair of chocolate sandals. Let me turn them this way. Super cute sandals. These are Time and True. And again, I don't know the price. I don't know if y'all have shopped at Walmart lately, but Walmart does not put any prices on any of their items. What they're doing is you have to download the app. And if you download the app, then you can scan any barcode and find out how much something is. So I feel like that's what they're trying to do, get you to download the app. And then these are the last 2. These are just some simple Time and True slippers, and black and a brown. I mean, you need these during the summertime. These are super cute to just throw on with any outfit, any casual look. And I want to say these were like $8.96, $8.76. They were not very expensive. I know they still had these. Now, whether your size is available or not, that's another story. So that's it for the shoes. Now on to the clothing. I will begin with what I'm wearing. This tank top is from Free Assembly. Free Assembly has super cute items, but these tank tops were on clearance for $7. Next up is this blazer top, a single button blazer top. Y'all see it's short sleeve, classic black. You can pair her with just about anything. You can layer her over a dress. You can layer her with jeans like I have here over a tank top. And it just depends on your style, where you're going and what you're doing. But she is super cute and she is a great addition to your closet. I could not pass this up. She is a size large. She has very minimal stretch, but she fits good. She fits good. This is the back, and she does have lining on the inside. And you know lining can be hot. Look. But that's okay. That's okay. Now I'm back with a blazer. This is a barrel sleeve. Look at this. A barrel sleeve blazer. Stick this right here. Now look at this. This is a barrel sleeve blazer. But I'm not sure about this one. I think she is going back because I don't like the way it looks like this button is screaming, please help me. It's too tight. It doesn't feel tight at all, but I feel like it looks tight. I like her. I like the way she looks. I love everything about it. The sleeves, I mean, I have elbow room. It does contain a little stretch. This is my problem. I just don't like the way it looks, and I don't want to wear it just open like this. I don't like that. I want to be able to button the blazer. I'm thinking she might go back. I might take this one back. She is a size large. This blazer, as well as the short sleeve blazer I just had on, both are by the brand Scoop. She's questionable. I'll make a decision. Let me know what you think. Should I keep her or should I return her? Is the button looking like it's screaming? Does it look bad? Let me know in the comments. Next up is a super cute denim set. It's actually 2 individual pieces sold separately, but it is a matching denim set. These are the jeans. I just kept the tank on, but these are the jeans. They're very lightweight. And when I say lightweight, they're not a heavy denim. They do contain minimum stretch. It has an elastic waist. This is a functioning drawstring. So when you pull it, it will cinch the waist. And you see how they come in the back? That is a plus. And I have them paired with the shoes. I love them. They don't hurt, at least. Now, I'm not wearing them very long. I've just been standing for a couple of minutes. But I can tell that they won't hurt my feet. The heel is not that tall, and it's a nice chunky heel. It's not a skinny heel. And I told y'all, platform shoes, those are the easiest to walk in. But let me show you, it has a matching blazer. I told y'all, a super cute denim set. Spring to summer, because you know, like sometimes it's still a little cool, and depending on where you're wearing it to, and you want to look nice, poised, and chic with the blazer on, perfect. The top and the bottom both are a size large. This jacket has nice stretch. I absolutely love it. The pants have very minimal stretch. They have stretch, but it's just not very much. It's definitely not as much as the blazer. The blazer really does have some nice stretch. And these pockets that you see, these are not real pockets. This is the back. Don't forget to check the description box just in case. I can find links, and there are still sizes available. You can see for yourself. If it's a piece that you like, you can go ahead and order it. Next up is another 2-piece set that's a set, but each piece is sold separately. And it is these super cute pinstripe Bermuda style shorts. I want y'all to really see. Pockets. You button it. It doesn't have a gap in the waist. That is a plus. And y'all, they just feel and fit nice. I absolutely love these. When I saw these shorts, and then right above it was the top that I'm gonna show you in a second. Oh my goodness, I have to get that. And again, the top and the bottom. The top, let me show you. The top is actually blazer style. Single button, short sleeve. Y'all see this? Super cute. Look at this. The pinstripes matching set. These pockets are not functioning pockets. The shorts are a 12, and I think the top is a large. This is actually, I think, a Scoop set. I think it's by the brand Scoop. This blazer has a lining on the inside that can be a little bit hot. I'm gonna still deal with it because I'm going to wear it. And I'm glad the shorts come over my knees because I'm actually going to wear this to church. You can see it, let me show you. Y'all see the lining? That's what I'm talking about. It can be a tad bit warm. Like I feel a little bit warm now. Y'all see the heels? The heels pair really well with this outfit. So that was another reason why I grabbed those heels, because y'all know clear sandals can pair with anything. And I want to say it has minimal stretch. It fits so good though. So good. Oh, y'all, this dress, oh my gosh, I love her. I am wearing a size medium. She has this nice flowy A-line. I don't know what material this is. She has pockets. Y'all know pockets are a plus. I don't know why the ladies love pockets in the dresses. This is the back. She has this right here that flips up, but of course you want that to be down all the way around the dress. Y'all, this top is that nice, thick, stretchy material. Paired her with the sandals, you could definitely dress her up or down. I even tried her on with the chocolate sneakers. She looks cute with the sneakers. The sneakers, the sandals, or even the clear heels. So this is a nice versatile piece. Don't forget to check the description box. And last but not least is this super cute cobalt blue A-line style midi dress. I absolutely love this dress. She has the V-neck, the ruffle cap sleeves. Y'all, she is so full of stretch. And this is the back. This is a nice, comfortable dress. You could dress her up or down. You see, I have her paired with the sandals that I showed you in the beginning, the chocolate brown with the cobalt blue. Absolutely love it. And it has so much stretch. I'm actually wearing a medium. So you could definitely size down in this one, depending on how you want it to fit. I knew I wanted it to be closer to my body. My normal size is, depending on the item, a large or an extra large. I kind of go between the two. I actually ordered this dress as well as in black, and it comes in so many colors. The blue, because I was thinking about spring, and then I knew I wanted black, because I mean, black, classic black. You just can't go wrong with black. So girl, if you have made it to this portion of the video, that means you made it to the end, and I appreciate you for hanging out with me today. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video, that means you're giving it a thumbs up. That's helping me to stay in the algorithm. And let me know which pieces you like. Let me know what you already have in your closet. Just let me know what you thought of this Walmart try on haul. Are the pieces really going from spring to summer for you? Because they are for me. And honey, I will see each one of you, same place, same channel, in the next video. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy up.